A cry for freedom, the Haitian Revolution. The Haitian Revolution was a historical earthquake. It shook the world from 1791 to 1804. Imagine a place called Saint-Domingue, a French colony. This island, now called Haiti, was a powder keg of anger. Enslaved Africans vastly outnumbered their French masters. They were tired of cruelty and injustice. They yearned for freedom. This revolution wasn't just about ending slavery, it was about human rights. It was about self-determination. The enslaved Africans rose up against impossible odds. They fought for their right to exist as free people. Their struggle became a beacon of hope for oppressed people everywhere. The Haitian Revolution stands out as the most successful slave revolt in history. It led to the creation of the first Black republic in the modern world. Haiti's story is a testament to the indomitable spirit of those who dare to fight for their freedom. The chains of profit, economic roots of revolt. Saint-Domingue wasn't just any colony, it was a gold mine. Sugar, coffee, indigo, the island produced vast riches for France. This wealth came at a terrible human cost. The plantation system was brutal. Enslaved Africans were treated like machines, not human beings. European demand for luxury goods fueled this cruel system. Plantation owners cared more about profits than human life. They worked enslaved people to death. The average lifespan of an enslaved person on a sugar plantation was just 7 years. This relentless exploitation created deep resentment. Enslaved Africans saw the wealth they generated. They saw none of it benefit them. The economic engine of Saint-Domingue was built on their suffering. This made revolt almost inevitable. Inhumanity unleashed social injustices of slavery. Slavery wasn't just about hard work, it was a system designed to dehumanize. Enslaved Africans had no rights, they were considered property, families were torn apart, children were born into chains, violence was a constant threat, enslaved people who disobeyed faced whippings, torture, or even death. This brutality wasn't random, it was policy, it was designed to crush their spirits and prevent rebellion. Despite this, enslaved Africans found ways to resist. They clung to their cultures, they shared stories of hope. They whispered dreams of freedom. This spirit of resistance, passed down through generations, would eventually explode into open revolt. Winds of change, the French Revolution's influence. Across the ocean, France was undergoing its own upheaval. The French Revolution in 1789 sent shockwaves across the world. The ideals of liberty, equality, and fraternity resonated powerfully in the colonies. In Saint-Domingue, free people of color saw an opportunity. They demanded equal rights from France, but their pleas were ignored. The plantation owners, fearing for their power, resisted any change. This hypocrisy ignited the revolution's fuse. If France could fight for liberty, why couldn't the enslaved people of Saint-Domingue? The revolution in the mother country gave birth to a revolution in the colony. The fight for freedom was about to begin.